As an identifiable industrial landmark across Muar Ban Lee stands majestic and proud in the world of the palm oil machinery industry. MBL is the outcome of decades of specialized experience and expertise. It symbolizes a legacy of more than 30 years of sustained growth, customer satisfaction, and innovation. MBL's newly invented durable palm kernel oil expeller makes things easy in a world of tough working conditions where everything's hard going. It's easy to operate, easy to maintain, and easy to save money. More output, less maintenance. Wherever you see reliable oil seed expeller, efficient leaf filter, and remarkable palm oil processing ancillary equipment, MBL technology is likely involved. Investing in research and development and optimizing our portfolio has transformed MBL today. Having immense experts know-how, we have developed solutions combining robustness, technical advances, high safety, and reliability. At MBL, we're passionate about production efficiency and automation. That's why we continuously develop and refine our production to deliver quality products and projects with world-class standards. Our production lines perform not only with high productivity and efficiency, but we also add delicate handling and high precision to the list of dull and dangerous jobs for robots. MBL has the most comprehensive ranges of oilseed crushing machines and filters, supporting machinery and facilities, replacement parts, and after-sales services on the market. Our essential products and projects include Palm Kernel Crushing Plants, empty fruit bunch machinery, Copra oil expeller, leaf filter, filter press, solvent extraction, methane biogas capture plant, and wastewater treatment system. MBL's most sought-after products are none other than the EK series. The EK series offers a lot more productivity, more fuel efficiency, and more uptime. The palm oil industry's all-rounder, a true game-changer. Worldwide, we have sold more than 8,000 units of this super brand thanks to its guaranteed performance and increased profitability. MBL has zero tolerance for anything that might come in the way of the quality and safety of our products and services. Every component of our machines goes through 100% exhaustive quality control. Our people work around the clock to deliver consistent quality and distinctive products, from conception to commercialization. We do not limit ourselves to expanding locally, but also extensively participate in significant growth across the globe. MBL prides itself on its team and people culture, and we seek out high-caliber people. We have at our core a company philosophy that has become more apparent with each passing day. We believe in fostering the skills of our team members and providing growing levels of training and responsibility. We care for our people. Thus, from the very beginning, we have taken on social responsibility with the conviction to elevate our people, families, and communities. Our commitment to first-class research and development, exceptional customer care, constant technical advancements, and ongoing people development has rendered the best results with consistently outstanding performance.
We insist to provide high-quality spare part, machine and system to our customer because the ROI is our first priority to our customer.
Our global headquarters and branches in 3 countries allow MBL to have the capacity to scale up multifold to meet higher requirements of the international markets with current export to more than 32 countries worldwide. MBL upholds the trust that people have vested in us. Thus, our hard work paid off in numerous distinguished awards and accreditations, from ISO 9001-2015 Certification of Golden Bull Award, from Asia Honesty Award to Business of the Year Award. We are very honored to be the only company in the palm oil industry to receive the Super Brands Award. With every bit of commitment and dedication, we forge our place as the market leader and move forward to realize the promise we made to you. Muar Ban Lee, raising your standards. Get the most out of it.